Hi, I'm Erin May, a family and lifestyle photographer, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be demonstrating on how I shot and created this self-portrait using nothing but my own hand and a variety of cameras. I started by gathering a collection of different types of cameras: a Polaroid camera, a GoPro, an old Canon point and shoot, a new Canon point and shoot, and a film camera. This here is my regular Nikon DSLR that I use for all my clients and professional work. I will be using it to take every photo besides the one of me because I will be holding it in that photo. In that case, I will substitute it for the red Canon, which has the next best quality. I then just added some fun rings like this vintage camera one to let the audience know that it is the same hand holding each of the cameras in every shot. Probably the most important piece of equipment in taking self-portraits is a tripod, so first set that up. I first started with the portraits of myself. Once I found one that I liked, I moved on to the cameras. I decided to just use a blank wall instead of a backdrop. I then took multiple shots of each camera to make sure I got a perfect one to use. I also switched from side to side to create different angles on each photo. Once I felt happy with the photos that I took, I uploaded them all onto my computer and edited and cropped. I decided to make everything black and white for a more moody feel. I then uploaded them all into Photoshop, where I used the quick selection tool to cut out just my hand with the camera. I then cut and pasted all of the arms onto the photo of just myself in Photoshop, arranging them all in different angles. After I was happy with the image and the arms, I took it over to Lightroom for one final edit, where I darkened the image, made sure everything was cohesive, and added some grain for a vintage touch. And voila, a photographer's self-portrait. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, had fun, and learned a little something. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and all of my other videography work. Have a great day and keep snapping.